How to use GearUp Booster step-by-step tutorial. So before anything, a little side note before you go ahead and use this. So the GearUp Booster's effectiveness, subscriptions, and value do have a few problems. It usually sometimes does nothing. Many users report this, of course, or worse, or that it can be confusing to cancel and may feel scam-like, especially because of automatic charges after trials, but lots of complaints when it comes to this app itself. But if you really want to know how to use it, just go ahead to your Play Store or App Store, wherever you want, to be able to download the GearUp Booster. You're just gonna go ahead and search for that. So GearUp Booster, find the app itself, which is this one, install it, and just go ahead and open the app itself. So right directly, you're gonna have to go ahead and press and continue. You can read that if you want. Press and continue again. So once you go ahead and do that, you will be met with the boost section. So you have games over here. Basically just shows you available games you can download. The me section on the right. So redemption over here, so redeem codes, feedback, help, articles, and whatever, and also a upgrade now option. This is basically a subscription that supposedly gives you unlimited boosting time, advanced features, and global servers. But to use it, you can go here to the boost. Just go ahead and whichever app you're using. Let's say Among Us over here, go to a server region. So you can also go for auto select if you want. So you can read whatever this does, but usually really doesn't matter. But just go ahead and choose server. If it does give you that option, then you're gonna have to go ahead and press on boost over here. Once you have that subscription, you will be able to use the actual booster. So that's one of the cons as well in GearUp Booster, is that you're actually gonna have to get the subscription either with a free trial or without a free trial. You're gonna need the subscription in order to be able to use the booster itself. So to use it, just go ahead and buy the subscription, or supposedly try it as well. You can go ahead and choose that option. There are apparently save options right here. Just read a free trial for the first option, second is a month, and the third one is a week. But it depends on you and what you want to go ahead and choose. But again, there are a lot of problems that comes with GearUp Booster. Lots of people saying that it really just makes the gameplay worse overall. But that is technically how you use the GearUp Booster. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.